wondering, do you have a piggy bank at home?
Yes.
And what do you keep in your piggy bank?
Money.
I have one, but I don't put my money in it anymore.
I put my money in it.
I think of something I want to get, and then I save and make sure I have enough money to get it.
Are you gonna do something with the money?
American Girl doll. And my cars. And Batman. An Xbox.
Well, you know, you need money for everything, so the more you save, the better off you are.
I'm saving up for a dog if I can get one.
Oh, okay. What about you, Ty?
I'll buy everything.